Hello and welcome to Waltz Basic and Beyond lesson. We will continue to explore advanced figures which we can build from basic figures. And today we will look at side cross to weave. And now let's welcome our wonderful demonstrators, Romance and Violetta. And let's look at our figure side cross to weave. Side cross we will use in timing one hand, which is unusual, and then we will continue with steps 2 and 3 of weave from promenade position. So man starts with left foot and dances side cross, then he continues with left foot forward into second step of weave and to side. So as you know, basic weave starts from promenade position, and these are first 3 steps of basic weave. And now let's look at Romance and Violetta. They will dance firstly weave from promenade position, first 3 steps. So we start from promenade position. 1, 2, 3. And from opposite angle, again first 3 steps of basic weave from promenade position. 1, 2, 3. And now they will add side cross in beginning and then continue with steps 2 and 3 of weave. 1 and 2, 3. Very good. From opposite angle. And 1 and 2, 3. Now, before this figure, we will dance a running weave from promenade position. And a running weave from promenade position I will show you. So 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And we finish usually with sway to right for man, and now we can change with sway to left, which creates musical accent. Let's look at Romance and Violetta. And 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3. Very good. And now from opposite angle. Please notice head weight and sway. At the end of a running weave, man to right, lady to left, and now change in first step of side cross. Now let's look at following figures. We will do running finish and a running feather. So we start with left foot back in running finish and then running feather from close to promenade position, and then we close and turn to right. Now let's look at Romance and Violetta. They will show us running finish, then a running feather, and after that curve feather. So we start with running finish, now running feather, and then curve feather. Very good. Now from opposite angle. And 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. And now let's put all things together. So we start with running weave from promenade position. Then we go to side cross and weave, a running finish, a running feather to promenade with pivot ending, and we dance after that curve feather. Very good. Now from opposite angle with teaching count. So starting from promenade position, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now to music. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching, and see you in the next dance videos.